Writing numbers in the standard form. Now, what is the meaning of standard form? We are given, let's say, a random number 381.2 and we have to express this in standard form. Now, the meaning of standard form is that the decimal should always come after the first number. That means this decimal is not here at the moment, it's here at the moment, but we have to transfer it after 3. So, this can be written as 3. I am going to put the decimal after the first number. So, I am going to write it as 3.812. And we see that the decimal has shifted actually twice. Here we have shifted it here. The actual value is here. So, actual value is 2 places to the right. So, I am going to write it as 10 to the power 2. Always remember, when the decimal have to be shifted to the right, the power is positive, that is 10 to the power 2. And if I have to shift it to the left, the power is going to be negative. So, I can consider many such examples. Let's say we have a number 57324.68 and I have to convert this into standard form. Again, the decimal is after 5 numbers. Standard form implies the decimal should be after the first digit itself. So, this is written as 5.732468 into 10 to the power. Now, see, we have to transfer it. I have put it here. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is going to be 10 raised to the power 4 because the decimal will be 1, 2, 3, 4 after 4. So, instead of I have to shift it 4 places to the right, that's why I put a positive 4. Now, what about those numbers where we have put negative numbers? Let's say we are having a number, let's say 0.0032 and we have to write this in standard form. So, in this case, the decimal will be put after the first number, that's 3. So, we will write it as 3.2 into 10 to the power. Now, actual value is 0.0032. That means the decimal is 1, 2, 3. 3 places I have to shift backwards. So, this is going to be 10 to the power minus 3. That's how you are going to get this value. So, always remember that when the question is given and we have to write in the standard form, the equivalent value should be obtained. If I write 10 to the power 3, then the decimal is going to be shifted to the right and you will not get this value. If I am writing 10 to the power minus 3, then only will I get this value 0.0032. We can consider another example, let's say 0.06, and this in the standard form will be written as 6.0. I am going to put the decimal here and I have to get the value 0.06. That means the decimal is shifted 2 places to the left. So, I am going to write it as 10 to the power minus 2. So, if I am writing as minus 2, if I am shifting it 2 places left of 6, then I am going to get the value 0.06. So, when I am writing it in this manner, where the decimal is always placed after the first digit and then we are adjusting accordingly into 10 to the power of something, either positive parts or negative parts, then we say that our question is in the standard form.